Online jobs that you can start now. Here's a roundup of the best online jobs you can start today. We've broken it down and we hope you find something that matches your skills and income goal. Watch until the end of the video and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. 1. Facebook Ads Specialist. Running Facebook ads is an effective way to increase sales, but most businesses simply don't have the expertise or time to launch campaigns. That's why Facebook ad specialists are high in demand. As long as you know how to set up enticing ad creatives and tailor campaigns towards specific audience segments, you'd be able to secure various online jobs and decide what firm you wish to work for. Hourly earnings, $30 $100. 2. Data entry worker. Online data entry jobs require you to input alphabetic, numeric, or symbolic data into a system. It might not sound like tons of fun, but it's an online job that can pay well. Plus, you can do the work whenever it suits your schedule. To excel in the role, consider bolstering your skills in computer programs like Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Word. Hourly earnings, $10 $20. 3. Instagram influencer. If you are aged 13 to 17 and want to earn your own money, or extra cash, then consider becoming an Instagram influencer. This is one of the best online jobs for teens because you can do it part-time from the comfort of your home. These days, nearly every business is striving to partner with influencers who can expand and sustain their Instagram reach. If you have the ability to create cool Instagram stories, know what hashtags to use, and can create amazing captions, you will do well as an influencer. Hourly earnings, $7 $40. 4. Freelance Writer. If you're a good writer, you can apply to write for blogs, magazines, journals, and even newspapers that publish their content online. Freelance writing is one of those online jobs that pays well because there's a big need for writers, as more and more companies aim to provide quality content to their audiences. Besides excellent writing skills, you'll need a passion for the particular niche you'll be working in, like tech or fashion, for instance. Hourly earnings, $15 $100. 5. Music reviewer. One of the most fun online jobs is getting paid to listen to your favorite music. There are companies that hire people to review tracks, test out short music samples, or rate new albums. Your feedback helps artists, record labels, and brands fine-tune their music before it's released to the masses. Hourly earnings, $5 $15. 6. Website tester. Many brands want to know how easy their websites are to use and hire testing companies to get opinions from real people. As a website tester, you'll need to answer a set of questions as you navigate through a site. Also, you'll convey what you think about the user experience through video recording. Videos need to be 20 to 25 minutes in length. And if you have a good knowledge of how websites work, you could be especially helpful. Hourly earnings, $15 $25. 7. Transcriptionist. If you're looking for easy online jobs to make some extra income, this one's for you. Transcriptionists have to listen to audio recordings and reproduce them in the form of text. This job also requires you to have great attention to detail and be incredibly fast at typing. While not the most popular job type, transcription can be a reliable income stream for someone with lightning-fast fingers. Hourly earnings, $15 $30. 8. Customer service rep. Nowadays, many companies are hiring customer service representatives to handle customer queries while working remotely. Training is provided, and you will get to pick a set schedule from a variety of shifts in a 24-hour period. If you have great interpersonal skills and enjoy helping others, consider applying for an online customer service job. Just remember that you'll need a quiet space to work. Hourly earnings, $8 $20. In the next coming video, we shall bring for you how you can get all those jobs above and where you can apply for an online vacancy, and all it's for free. Never miss out videos on this channel, so kindly subscribe.